I'm Vishal Talwar, Dean School of Management at the BML Munjal University. My experience abroad at places such as Manchester Business School, places such as London School of Economics has definitely led to a certain kind of thought process. It's not just me trying to focus on what they do in the classrooms, but can I create an environment wherein all those 24 hours are utilized for some form of learning or the other. We are very focused on the fact that every course that we teach has to have a large percentage of experiential learning built into it. Whether it is presentations, whether it is cases, whether it is industry visits, whether it is practice school, all this has to enable a student to not only just understand a concept but to apply it in real time. The most fulfilling part of my day is actually to be able to create an aha moment in my students. A certain flash of brilliance that maybe comes across the face, or something that they may have not known this before. That's the time when you feel actually you've been able to contribute. That's something that I fundamentally believe in.